Hey, on this video, we're going to be talking about reasons why you're going to visit the dealership versus going to Carvana, Carmax, or any online agency or company that wants to sell the public or wants to sell consumers vehicles. People today look at a lot of reasons why they want to purchase a vehicle or purchase a product because they want convenience. Everybody want to be somewhere in a hurry. What about the times where people think about, you know what, I need to go into the dealership and I need to get my vehicle serviced, or I need to go in and have a conversation with a salesperson? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm going to give you a few reasons why you need to go into a dealership or contact the dealership. Start everything online, but eventually end up at the dealership, or have the dealership deliver you the vehicle. Well, Carvana, Carmax, let's just really talk about Carvana, right? Broom used to be around, but anyway, online. People purchase vehicles online because they want convenience. They want the vehicle dropped off to them. They want to sign on the dotted line. They want to sign their paperwork in 5 minutes, and then they want their car dropped off, their temporary tag in the window, and then their vehicle is dropped off right there in front of their house. And they're good, right? Ready to go until something happens to their vehicle. Or they have a problem getting their temporary, their plate. And right now they're driving on a 15-day temp. Sometimes they may be driving on a 30-day temp. But anyway, a lot of people go to these CarMax or Vroom is because they want it right now. And they don't care what they pay. Well, know this, Carvana, Vroom, they're marking their prices all the way up. They're marking them up where they're non-negotiable. If you see that car online that you want, okay, you don't negotiate the price. The price is the price. When you go into a dealership or you start the paperwork, start the communication online, you got a chance to negotiate with someone, with a person, versus having your vehicle drop off your doorstep and this is the price that you're gonna pay. So you wanna go to contact the dealership and start the process there because you can negotiate. You can ask for, can you get $1,000 off the sales price? Can you get $500 off the sales price? Or can you throw something in, or what can you do for me? Or, can you give me a deal on a warranty? It's all about negotiation and using your skill level. But with Carvana, everybody is just so into the convenience. They're not looking at the price. So many times the last 6 months, I want to say at least 3 times a month, I've had customers that purchase cars from Carvana and now they want to get out of them. But they can't get out of them because they pay too much for the vehicle. And they're having problems now. And they have nobody to call. Nobody at Carvana is returning their call. So what are they doing? They're coming into the dealership and they're having to put either more money down to get out their vehicle, or they're having to stay in their vehicle. So my best advice, if you got a car right now from Carvana, is you want to start saving up your dollars. You want to start saving up as much money as you can. So if you have $3,000 in negative equity on your particular vehicle, or you owe $15,000 on your car, and your car, they're giving you at the dealership $12,000. That's $3,000 in negative. You need to come in with $3,000 down plus additional $2,000 down. The more money you come in with, the better you go chances of getting out that vehicle. And you're probably saying, Regina, why are you asking me to bring $5,000 down and I only have $3,000 in negative? Well, for one, when you try to trade that vehicle in, the resale value is going to be in the toilet. So the bank is not going to want to have you trade that car in and roll $3,000 on to another vehicle. That's not happening. So if you come in with $5,000, that's going to better your situation of getting out that particular vehicle. So listen closely. Why you want to come in with more money is because you want to get out that vehicle. Yeah, I'm talking to everybody that has that nice car outside that you thought was nice, and now you're trying to get out of it. So the more money you have down, the better your chances are to get out that vehicle and get into another vehicle. So I didn't want to give you too much on this video, is because you shouldn't be shopping online with Carvana anyway. So the biggest thing I hope you got from this video is that don't go purchase from Carvana. Don't also purchase a vehicle out of a vending machine, because remember, it's going to cost you more money to get out that vehicle. So looks, convenience is not always what you need to think about. You need to think about building a relationship at car dealerships, because if something happens with your car, who can you go into the dealership? The service advisor, and have a conversation on things that you need to get done and things that you can wait 6 months down or 8 months down to get it done. So what I'm saying to you is that make a good decision when you're looking to go buy a vehicle. And remember, Carvana only sells pre-owned vehicles. They don't sell new cars. All right, I hope you got something on this video. So, because if you're sliding by my channel, you need to hit that subscribe button and then move on to the next channel. If you hit the subscribe button on my channel, you're gonna be notified every time I drop a video.